Fellas, this is the big moment we've all been waiting for. Who is the big snack of the year? Here they are.
Check it out. It's 11:30. My hand is getting dirty, snatching up things that probably can't be worthy. Now this is a vision of a violent life, living by a gun, a totem of a knife. Now I'm slamming doors, 2, 4, 5, I'm pulling the keys. These are the tragic, valuable luxuries to me at the early dawn. Before you yawn, I've been there, swiped you and then I'm gone. Now it's 6 o'clock, my heart tick-tocks. A black satin bag full of fat-ass rocks. My identity has to be exposed, stealing from the spot that I've truly chose. I lose and abuse my choice to choose. Now I'm fixed and I'm falling deeper in the mix. There's no hope for me, see. My path's been chosen, I'm Johnny B.
Johnny B, how much there is to see. Just open your eyes and listen to me. Straight ahead, a green light turns to red. Oh, why can't you see? Oh, Johnny B, Johnny B, how much there is to see. Just open your eyes and listen to me. Straight ahead, a green light turns to red. Oh, why can't you see? Oh, Johnny B.
The situation tight, you're a villain by the night. Can't choose between the wrongs and the rights. Now I'm searching for the clues. Yo, what am I to do? I got the habit of taking valuable things from you. Here I stand and I'm physically trapped by my tan. Drifting on the breeze, travels a distant man. A lonely path when I stand alone. A realm of affliction abandoned by my own. Here I lay down into certain depths. Evil spirits come and grasp my very last breath. Sometimes I wish reverseness in my path. A simple gesture, a simple laugh. But I'm evil, dirty and mean. Profound thoughts pump through my bloodstream. Frightened, huh, you should be. Who am I? I'm Johnny B.
Johnny B, how much there is to see. Just open your eyes and listen to me. Straight ahead, a green light turns to red. Oh, why can't you see? Oh, Johnny B.
Here we go, now check the flow. Here we go, Johnny B is in control. Here we go, now check the flow. Here we go, Johnny B is in control.
It's a sleepless night, he's calling your name. It's a lonely ride, I know.